going. Action.
And action. Hello everyone, I'm Christopher. The guy behind the camera is of course Jake the Snake. And behind me is a 1972 Monte Carlo. This Monte Carlo's got a beautiful 350, automatic transmission, aluminum heads, 4-barrel Holley, Cowl hood, black vinyl roof, black vinyl bucket seats, wood grain dash, center console, power steering, power front disc brakes, Kenwood CD player, 15-inch rally wheels. Look at this big blue beast. Shall we? Oh, wow, look at that.
Floor mat's still in the plastic.
I love plastic floor
And
mats.
this trunk is nice too.
It's huge.
Good condition.
You can fit lots of things in here. And let's look around and look at this beautiful interior.
Black vinyl interior.
Can't beat that with a stick. It's gorgeous.
New steering wheel, wood grain dash.
Oh, nice.
Awesome looking.
Good. Well, you know what time it is. It's time to take this bad boy out for a ride. You ready, Jake?
Sounds good.
Done. You ready? Freddy?
Now I am. I'll roll your window up.
We're off like a dirty shirt.
We got a new Kenwood stereo down there. That's kind of nice.
Ooh,
But we still have the old school radio. We got two radios.
So maybe we'd hear two different things. Probably not, but hey, who knows?
We got the foggers, high and low, on the dash there.
Gotta love a good.
We got a lighter, in case you want to take up smoking.
Uh-huh. We're not doing that though, right?
No.
All right, fine.
Don't smoke, kids.
Yeah, kids.
Ooh, good pickup. And a cowl hood so massive you can clearly see the engine.
It's kind of nice to know what's going on
the back
in there.
of it.
Hello. Get some mirrors and some lights. We can see everything. We're gonna see if it's got beans. Oh.
Seems to have beans.
Sure, we're going up a big hill. Big hill, big hood.
I like the wood grain dash too, it's fitting.
It's very 1972. It reeks of it.
We got some gauges on your side. Looks like we got oil pressure, which is good. Voltage and water temp.
Yeah.
Oil pressure's up at 60. That's awesome.
It is awesome.
Still got to warm up. It'll drop a little bit as the oil warms up. Fuel gauge works. Speedo works. Radio works. It works.
It works.
We have big back seats for real people.
Real, live, tall people, short
like the
people.
light. It's got like a star in it or something.
Oh,
cool.
nice.
Headliner looks nice.
And people, we don't play music because YouTube will strike it. You cannot have music. We don't have the copyrights, right?
Yeah, we don't want to get copyright struck.
That's what we don't want. But what we do want is to drive this beautiful car with the gigantic column.
The scheme is nice. The wood grain continues onto the column here where the shifter is. Kind of ties it all in. I like that. Really comfortable. Black leather seats. Nice and big.
Black vinyl seats.
Black vinyl, is that what I said?
You said leather.
Oh, black vinyl seats. Sorry.
Yes.
I know, it's not leather.
A fake vinyl cow gave us this. Vinyl cow.
Yeah, the vinyl cows come from Kentucky, I think.
I believe so. Pay attention.
On a scale from 1 to beans, how many beans do you think this car has?
From 1 to beans. I'm going to say it's got at least 8 beans.
I'm going to go pinto bean.
Pinto, lima.
I don't know where that is on the scale, but it seems like a lot.
Kidney.
Kidney beans probably pretty high. Those
Black beans. Red beans.
Red beans.
Jumping beans.
Ready?
And here we go. Little second gear action.
Chirp the tires in second.
Nice. Love the chirp.
That was pretty quick.
I love a chirp. It was actually. I'm going to tell you now, I didn't give it full beans.
You know what time it is?
Oh, I know what time it is, Bubba.
Good old fashioned start it.
Damn right. Or darn right it is. Kids don't
curse. A little bit further down.
Beans o' plenty. Why don't you take it for a drive back home there, Jake?
Sounds good.